Hello guys, good morning. Once again welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic into SAP basis called BR tools. So it is only specific for Oracle database admin activities. We'll be having BR tools concept. So we'll see some of the actions like database operations, like we can say start stop of database, and how to trigger a backup, how to add a table spaces to database, and we'll see in later we can see all these topics. Our prime focus is triggering backup, start stop, and adding table spaces. After that we can see how to recover the database, how to reorganize the table, how to rebuild index, how to export import tables as well. So as of now our prime focus is, as I said, these three things we will be able to show you in this series of videos. Maybe in 2 to 3 videos we will divide all these topics and we'll show you. So let's start with the topic. So initially I have to connect to a system, and from Ora SID we have to perform this. As you already know, Oracle operations can be done with Ora SID, but in Windows we can go with SID ADM as well. For Ora SID I have some issue, so I am performing with SID ADM only. So we can perform with command prompt or with this one, PowerShell one. Anything is fine to launch BR tools. I choose this one, PowerShell one, because it looks somehow better than the black screen. So just launch BR tools. So actually my SAP system as of now is up and running. So first one what we see here is start stop, right? We'll see how to start stop the database. So to stop or start the database, first my database is up and running, so I will stop it. I will start from there, then you can understand that. We'll do one thing, start stop we can see from here, and database backup we can see from here, and adding table spaces I will show you in Linux environment. So once the SAP stops, I'll stop the database as well. For now I'm just exiting from this because I have to stop the database. Okay, so once SAP stops, database won't go down, so we have to stop, right? So as said in previous class, SQL plus as sysdba and shut immediate. Oh, immediate spelling is wrong. So now it will go down. Till here you guys already know. We discussed in the previous class as well about the start stop process. That's why I did it very fast. Now let's start from here with our topic of BR tools. So now I am exiting from here. Now launch BR tools. Before launching that, let's check the database status. So we know, right, SQL plus slash as sysdba, and see here it means we know that already it is not up and running, database is not up and running, ideal instance. Still we'll see select status from v $instance. See, Oracle not available. Let's make Oracle available now. So in BR tools the basic options are these: start with instance management and space, segment, space in the sense table spaces, etc. Segment means rebuild indices, etc. will come here. Backup and database copy, it's for backups, and restore, it's for restore recovery. Like the backup we can restore, and the logs we can recover from here. So we'll start with one. See, now startup database. So I'll click on one. You can see in the below I clicked one actually here. I think you can see it now, and enter. So it is taking BR space profile. Actually init.sid.sap is the profile which will be read while starting the database. So database user password, it is slash means sys will be taken automatically. The command we run also same, right? SQL plus slash as sysdba. So sysdba user and its password will be taken, and when we click continue, let's see. So BR space will be started with options -p so on so. Okay, continue. So instance startup method. Let's see what are the methods are available here. I'll hit one. So we have basically two types of we know basically two types. There are third one also here. We can see total 4. Open means it is open for a reading and writing from the database level. We will be having two more types called mount, no mount. No mount means it will be in initial state. After that it will come to mount. Mount means all the data files will be mounted to the database. You can do restore, recovery kind of activities in mount state. So let's go with open option. We need a open option. So I will, as it is saying already open is in bracket. If I hit enter, it will take automatically. Oh, it is not taking. Let me put open and enter. So database open mode. Let's see what are the modes are available. Normal, restricted, read only, force. So we usually use normal mode only. Enter. And force instance restart, no. Startup open. The command is startup open. So continue. Now continue back again. So starting and opening the database instance, which means it is starting and at the same time it is opening also. Let's come out from here in the another screen and try SQL plus as sysdba again. See, earlier when we hit, it has given connected to ideal instance, which means the database is not came up at that time. But when I click now, database is up and running, but it might be opened or not opened. That is a different concept. So whether the database is open or not, we can check from here. So when I click, when I give this, see, status open. Even in this scenario, now if I run R3 trans also, it will give 00. So which is the database is up and running. You can go with application startup. So this is how we can proceed. After this we can give C, continue, continue, and our action is done. So now again it is like IVRS menu. We have to go back and we have to exit properly. So this is database related, the instance management option. So from here you have to go back one step, and after that you have a exit option 9 and say S. Completed. Like this you have to come successfully from the particular options. Now again I am launching. Just to stop the database. So instance management, shut down database. Just option 2 we will give. Same profile it will read. Here it use option DB shutdown. Continue, continue. So see here database close mode. Immediate it is taking. If you want change, if you want to change, you can change. I will go with transactional about immediate. So immediate in the sense immediately it will stop. Normal means it will wait for the commits. Till the commits completes it will wait. So I'm going with immediate mode for now, and continue, continue, shutting down the database. So let's check it again here in another screen, like what is my R3 trans status again. Once the database goes down, you can see RC12 from here, and when you connect to SQL plus, just see it will again say connected to ideal instance, which means the database went down. So this is the process. By using BR tools also we can do start stop if we want to perform in this way. So it's up to us how to perform start stop activity, but this is the option we have.